Hi, to show or hide battery percentage indicator on your iPhone 16e, firstly open Phone Settings and find Battery tab. Now all you have to do is to take a look on the top of the display. First section you will see here is battery percentage. As you can see, mine is disabled, so my battery percentage is hidden. Therefore, I got just this plain black battery icon. If you wanna see your battery percentage, then tap on the switcher, and now in this icon you'll see your battery level. In my case, I got 92%. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.